All right, what's up guys? I have a very cool unboxing, actually two unboxings here, some quick ones from our friends at Cnick/TeslaRing.com. Just to give you a little background on it, Tesla Ring makes these really awesome rings that you can see over here. This one's a custom-made Doge one, you gotta love that. This one over here is their Star Moon Gen 2, which you're able to link to a website. You could actually use it also as your Tesla key, of course, but you could even use it in some countries for payments. This one over here that I have, this is just, again, this really cool custom Doge one. But in here is something different. We're not looking at any rings. Let's go ahead and carefully cut on into this. And there's two very unique items in here. One of them is actually a custom made one, which I am really excited to see, and I don't know which one's which. But these are similar to the Tesla rings, just how they act as a key to get into your car. These items in here do the same thing. So I love having my Apple Watch, like to keep my phone at home when I go away, if I want to go to the beach or I want to go down to the city, whatever it is. And I don't like the feeling of pretty much having to worry about this falling out of my pocket the whole time, right? So that's why I'm a huge fan of the Tesla Ring. Leave the Apple Watch in the car at home, I leave the phone at home, and all I have to do is go out with this on my finger, one of these, and super easy. And here though is something that I love, because one of the things I've been worrying about when I wear this is my fingers will get a little bit puffed up if it's really hot outside. So in here is something that's going to change that for us. So we'll switch these around. Again, I don't know which one's which. Let's go ahead and open this on up. Okay, all right, this one is actually the custom one that they made. This is very cool. This is Tiger Eye Stone around here. This is super beautiful. These are custom made, so I'm hoping that they fit on. We'll give it a test. And this is a cool piece of custom wood over here. And this piece of wood acts just like the key to get into your car. So you would just sync this up to your car, just like you use your key, put it against the pillar and get on into your car. So let's go ahead and see if this fits. It is a stretchy band. Okay, fits perfect. Dang, that is sweet. Let me move that out of the way so you can get a better view. Oh, this is really nice. Super lightweight. I mean, that tiger eye is a beautiful, beautiful stone. These are very nicely put on here. That is gorgeous. Check that out. Wow. Feels very high quality. There are some other items in the box. I just want to check and see what those are. By the way, look at that presentation. I love that velvet. There's even a little bit of foam in here as well, just to elevate it so you get a nicer unboxing experience. And then it looks like you have some replacement pieces of tiger eye stone as well as a replacement band should that break on you. All right, so that is the first one. So that is the custom one. And I think it's beautiful. But there's also another one that we'll take a look at in here. Not custom, this one you could actually just order off the site as it is. And let's check this one out. Again, you get your replacement pieces here. Okay, this is sick, dang. Check that out, that's gorgeous. So these are lava rocks, and I'm hoping that you're able to see this well. I'm actually using my Insta360 Go 3S to record this, and I think I should do a good job. Hopefully the lighting's good enough in here, but check this out. So this is lava rock stone, and then this is another piece of wood. I really love the wood on here. Both of these pieces of wood are super beautiful. This almost looks, the wood on here almost looks a little bit like tiger eye. Check that out. But again, we'll try this one on. Again, these are custom fit. So stretch it a little there, and once it's on, it fits perfectly. I was a little worried if this was gonna be too big of pieces, if these were gonna be rough since it says that they're lava stone, but I think this is gonna be able to move around. You can go for a jog and not have to worry about these, you know, causing any irritation on your skin or something like that. But this is, put them both on so we could check them both out there. There you go. Probably don't need to wear two at the same time, but just so you can get a good look at what they look like next to each other on the wrist. Yeah, I really love the tiger eye stone. I've always been a big fan of tiger eye, but both of these are gorgeous. Both are fairly masculine, so bracelets typically are probably a little bit more popular with women, and they have some beautiful designs for women as well. But if you're a man and you want to get something that's a little bit tougher looking, I think this is a great option for a custom design. Get the tiger eye, and this is kind of like a slate gray piece of wood over here. And then again, this one's really nice as well. If you're a man, this is a really beautiful piece of wood over here, and this awesome lava rock. Well, again, guys, this is the bracelets from our friends at Cnick/Tesla Ring. If you use code TOSV, you do get a nice little discount. You can see the whole full collection. We're just building it as we go. Just super cool products, and you'll definitely be happy if you pick one of these up.